how to cash out on Robinhood or how to withdraw on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash out on Robinhood. Now, the process actually is quite simple and quite easy. Now, in order to withdraw or cash out on Robinhood, first open up your Robinhood application and then sign into your account. You should get an interface somewhat like this. Now, my account isn't verified, so I won't be able to show you in details, but here's how you can do it. You want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on profile, what you want to do is you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon that you'll find at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed into menu. Now here you'll be able to see various other options. In my case, since I don't have my bank account added and since my account isn't verified, I'm getting only these three options, but you'll get various other options here, and one of those options will be transfers. So you'll get the transfers option here on the menu. You want to tap on transfers, and once you tap on transfers there, you'll get the option withdraw. You want to simply tap on withdraw, and then you will want to cash out to your bank account once you add in the details. So this way you can cash out on Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.